non-continuation of the recording from the failed one, but I figured out where the X Scissor TM is. I'm not going to do my intro, so I'm sorry guys. But where the X Scissor TM was, and I forgot about the repels. I forgot. Run. But where the X Scissor team was, I looked up a guide. I had to because I have never seen it before. Is there any other? Yeah, there's 9 left. Good. I only need one of those because it was actually really obvious, but I've never seen it before, so don't blame me. You have to go down here and go on this land and go all the way down, and there are a lot of item balls here too. Here, TM81 X Scissor. That was quick. I'll do it in a few. Not going to do it just yet. I'm going to do it at 9:30, which is way later. But I hate not being able to not record for very long because I'm in the middle of camp. But here's X Scissor. This is what I wanted to let my Pokemon learn. Only one Pokemon can learn it, which is surprising to me. Oh well. X Scissor will be Hawlucha's move, and I only made it learn Poison Jab for a preparation move. X Scissor is pretty much the same thing, but I'm going to let Hawlucha learn X Scissor because of Psychic types. In case it encounters one and it's faster than a Psychic type, X Scissor would do some damage. So now we found the advantage against Ice. Just Ice, Dark, Fighting, Psychic, Fairy. Well, Fairy types is pretty easy, just use Fly all over the place. But that's not really the advantage point. Also Grass. Oh, whoops, wrong thing. Which is fine, and even Dark Samurai. But Dark Samurai doesn't have any moves. Anyways, going back to where I was before. So, the city that I want to go to next is all the way to Anastar. I think. Dang it, no it's not. Well, maybe it is. Yeah, Anastar. And this video will contain side quests, but the next video won't, so that's a promise. But this video contains side quests, meaning item collecting. Azir Bay isn't one of them. Yes, I would have to fight wild Pokemon, I know. But it's fine because my Pokemon need to be trained anyways. And I also want to test out Hawlucha's X Scissor, but not here because I'm coming! Sorry. I'm actually going to stop recording in 10 minutes. We'll be going to shower in 10. Let's see if I can get the items then. No. Wait, no, this is not it. Thought for sure this was it. Apparently not. Taking a shortcut because I can. So that was sort of a waste of your time and mine. Now every Pokemon in this route, and there's a Pearl, I'm not going to sell any of these sellable items, by the way, because I have a lot of Pokemon anyway. And if I sold them, that would be a waste of items. I'm just saving my resources. This is where I actually wanted to go, by the way. Oh, dang it. And of course there was the one from Dendemel Town. But Route 19 is where I want to go first. Because I think there's a waterfall that I wanted to find. If not, then this route was also a waste of my time. It's because I don't even remember. There's a Pokemon I don't like, Stunfisk. Why don't I like Stunfisk? Because I don't think of it as a very useful Pokemon. And that's a revenge of one of you defeating my Hawlucha with a Thunderbolt. Now I think about it, this is not it. There was no waterfall here. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong off screen, but this is not it. So the next place that I wanted to go is actually not Pokemon Village. That will be saved for when I'm the champion. But it is the route of recommendation. So it's not really the story. Lied. No, that was not a lie. It was a mistake, and mistakes are not lies. Just doing the correct thing. I think I did this already, but if I didn't, then I'll show you guys about the waterfall. And waterfall is not here. Is it down here? No. I guess not. So I thought. Oh, of course, there was this. This is where it continues. Repeat ball is one of the items, not really that useful. And then, if you use cut right here, which Dark Samurai knows, the berry that you get, sorry if I'm being a teacher right here, Figgy Berry is what you get. So it's more like it's surfing for items, and the actual waterfall where I was supposed to go was actually in Dendemel Town. And do I have time for that? I think I do. Yeah. Because if you go onwards from here, that leads you to the forward part of the story, but I'm not going to do that yet because this video is contained of side quests. And of course I'm trying to make this quick because I'm trying to make this quick so that my mother doesn't wait for too long. But where I wanted to actually go was at Snowy Cavern. Even though it's not really called Snowy Cavern, they just said it was called that. Don't even know why they said it when it was outside of it. They should have called it the Snowy Mountain Pass like I called it. I'm coming! Hold on! This is why I want to make things quick. Ah, jeez, I have to shout. No, in camera. This reminds me of yesterday. Okay, I'll shout. I'm coming. I'm coming in 3 minutes. Won't recording. I'm sorry, it won't take long. too. It's fine. Sorry. I'm sorry about that. Sorry for you guys to get through that. I could have stopped the recording, but I don't have iMovie, and it would have taken me longer to do that. So, anyways, here we get a heart scale. That's actually a really useful item. So why we wanted to go in the Snowy Mountain Pass, of which I will call it, is because there's a TM here. Somewhere. Right here. Poliwhirl. Which I already caught, so I will defeat that Poliwhirl. Why not? I'm not going to test out X-Scissor against that. I'm just making this battle quick by one-hit KOing Pokemon. And I will do it and I will... Okay, there it is. Stone Edge. A very useful TM that Hawlucha can learn, but I'm not going to let it learn that. It's funny, because Hawlucha knows Stone Edge. Does it? Yeah, and along with Aggron too. Aggron also known as Rock, but I just wanted to say Aggron. But it's funny, Hawlucha knows Stone Edge, but Ash's Hawlucha never learned it, and it's a very useful move. So sorry about all the shouting in this video, but I promise that tomorrow's video will be better. So, next time in Pokemon X, we're going to Victory Road. We've done everything here. We've done all of the side quests. We've done all of the item collecting that we could do while doing the side quests. So for the next time we will be doing use a move fly. So next time we're going to be training at Victory Road until our Pokemon are level 63. That's a recommended level for you guys anyways for beating the Pokemon League, because I wasn't prepared for the Pokemon League and lost twice against the champion. So, I'll see you guys then. And the tiny bit of the ending, sorry, heard something. The tiny bit of an ending video, the conclusion, will be me going to the entrance to Victory Road. And that was my brother that went downstairs. See you guys then. That was the wrong way. Went too far down. And I'll do some commentary, why not? Only for this. But you guys don't have to watch this. I don't run into any wild Pokemon. I'm feeling so bad right now. No worries. And sorry about this video being short, by the way. The last video failed and it would have been 23. It would have been like 20 minutes of videos. So I'm all set. In the bag, I have healing potion. Healing items wise, a potion, 23 50 HP healing items, 5 Moo Moo Milks, 16 Hyper Potions, and 11 Revives. Which, I would have had 13 if I kept the count going. So, see you guys then. Can't wait to go through Victory Road.